Hey, David. Do you want to sound like a native English speaker without memorizing 100 grammar rules?
Oh, absolutely. But idioms always confuse me. I mean, break the ice? Are we supposed to bring an axe?
Not at all. Today, we're going to learn 10 essential idioms that'll make your English sound natural, confident, and fun.
10 idioms? That's awesome.
Yup, and we're not just explaining them. We'll show you how native speakers actually use them in daily conversations.
Oh, like in real life?
Exactly. By the end, you'll speak like a native. So stay till the end because we also have a fun little idiom challenge for you. Let's go.
Idiom 1, break the ice. All right, Sarah, I keep hearing break the ice. What does it really mean?
Don't worry. No actual ice breaking needed. Break the ice means to start a friendly conversation, especially when it feels a bit awkward or silent.
Oh, like when you meet new classmates or coworkers?
Exactly. For example, imagine we're both new at a party.
Okay, awkward silence. So, nice weather today, huh?
Perfect. You just broke the ice. You started talking and now it's easy to keep the chat going.
Oh, wow, that actually works.
It does. Use it at school, meetings, or anywhere you want to make people comfortable.
So I just need to talk first. Got it. I'll be the icebreaker guy next time.
That's the spirit.
Idiom 2. Hit the books.
All right, next one. Hit the books. Sounds a bit violent, doesn't it?
Yeah. Why are we hitting books? What did they ever do to us?
No. Hit the books means to study hard, especially for an exam or test.
Oh, so when my teacher says, you better hit the books, she doesn't mean with a hammer.
Nope. She means start studying seriously. For example, I have finals tomorrow, so I need to hit the books tonight.
That's literally me every semester.
Same here. But here's a tip. Make study time fun. Good lighting, snacks, music, and short breaks. It helps.
All right, from now on, I'll hit the books. Gently. Idiom 3. Under the weather. Ugh, I'm not feeling great today.
Oh no, are you under the weather?
Wait, under the weather? What does that even mean?
It means feeling sick or unwell, like when you have a cold or fever.
Oh, so instead of saying I'm sick, I can say I'm under the weather.
Exactly. It's casual and sounds more natural.
Example. I was under the weather yesterday, so I stayed in bed.
Perfect. You're sounding more native already.
Great. Now I just hope I'm never under the weather on exam day.
Same here, David. Same here.
Idiom 4, piece of cake.
Next one, sweet. A piece of cake.
I'm listening. Does this involve real cake?
Not this time. Piece of cake means something that's very easy to do.
Oh, like when something's super simple.
Exactly. For example, that test was a piece of cake.
I wish all tests were cake. I'd eat them.
You'd definitely pass those exams.
So, piece of cake equals easy task. Got it.
Yup. You can also say learning idioms with Sarah is a piece of cake.
You said it, not me. Idiom 5, spill the beans. Okay, what's next?
One of my favorites, spill the beans.
Ooh, sounds messy. What does it mean?
It means to reveal a secret or surprise.
Oh, like when someone tells you a secret before they're supposed to.
Exactly. For example, Tom accidentally spilled the beans about the surprise party.
Oh, I get it. So if I tell someone your secret, I'm spilling the beans.
Yup. So, David, did you spill the beans about my birthday gift yet?
I mean, no. Maybe?
Too late, you totally spilled them.
I'll never trust beans again.
Okay, David, we've already learned 5 idioms. Feeling good?
Yeah, but my brain might need a break. Maybe we should call it a day.
Nice. You actually used our next idiom. Call it a day. Idiom 6, call it a day.
Wait, really? What does it mean exactly?
It means to stop working on something for now because you've done enough or you're tired.
Oh, like when we study for hours and finally say, let's call it a day.
Exactly. Native speakers use this all the time.
Example. We finished the project. Let's call it a day.
Perfect. Simple, useful, and polite.
So basically, stop before you drop. Got it.
That should be the new definition. All right, let's not call it a day yet. We've got more to learn.
Idiom 7. Hang out. Oh, I know this one. Hang out. I hear it all the time.
You're right. It's one of the most common ones. Hang out means to spend time with someone in a relaxed, casual way.
So when I say, I like to hang out with my friends, it means we just chill together?
Exactly. You can hang out at the mall, in a cafe, or even online.
Can I say, Sarah, let's hang out after recording?
Sure. We can hang out and grab some coffee.
I'll bring cookies.
Perfect combo. Coffee and cookies with conversations.
So simple. But now I know what native speakers mean when they say, let's hang out.
Exactly. Short, friendly, and very natural.
Idiom 8. Once in a blue moon. Okay, this one sounds mysterious. Once in a blue moon.
It does. It means something that happens very rarely.
Oh, so it's like almost never.
Exactly. For example, I eat pizza once in a blue moon, meaning almost never.
That's impossible. I eat pizza every week.
Then maybe you should say, I eat salad once in a blue moon.
Oof, too true.
It's a cute way to sound natural. You can say, we go on vacation once in a blue moon, or I meet my cousin once in a blue moon.
Got it. Rare things equals blue moon things.
Exactly. Easy and fun.
Idiom 9. In hot water. In hot water? That sounds dangerous.
Not really. It means to be in trouble.
Oh, like when I forget my homework?
Exactly. You're in hot water with your teacher.
I'm always in hot water for that.
See? So easy to use. You can say, I was in hot water because I missed my meeting, or she got in hot water after being late.
So it's like getting scolded.
Exactly, and no boiling required.
Cloud idiom 10. Over the moon.
Last one, over the moon. It's a happy one.
A happy moon? Tell me more.
It means extremely happy or excited.
Oh, like when something amazing happens.
Exactly. For example, I was over the moon when I passed my exam, or I was over the moon when I got a new phone.
I was over the moon when our video hit 10,000 views.
And I'm over the moon right now because our learners are becoming fluent.
Oh, look at us. 2 moons floating in happiness.
That should be our next episode title. All right, learners, now you know 10 idioms that natives use every single day.
Let's see if you remember them. I'll say the meaning and you guess the idiom.
Number 1, something easy to do.
A piece of cake.
Good. Number 2, when you share a secret too soon.
Spill the beans.
Nice. And number 3, feeling sick.
under the weather.
Perfect. You guys at home, comment below with your favorite idiom from today's lesson.
Yes! Tell us which idiom you'll use this week in your real conversations.
And if you learned something new, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you never miss a lesson.
And remember, learning English should be fun, simple, and a piece of cake.
This is Sarah and David from TalkEasy English, helping you sound natural, one conversation at a time.
See you next time.
Bye and keep talking easy.